going today?
It's Josh and Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead.
Yes.
Today we are doing a Treats Box. These things always seem to kind of surprise me, you know? Like when they come in the mail, I'm like, oh, okay, cool.
I know it comes every month, but we're still surprised.
And it's really not that expensive, is it?
No, I think it's like $12 or $13.
Yeah, and it's fun for us.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what flag that is. Michelle?
Nah.
Yeah, we ain't.
Italy.
We ain't cultured.
Italy.
Oh, Moscow, Russia.
Oh, we were just talking about Russia today.
Okay, so yeah, we should. So we were just talking about Russia today because we are big Stranger Things fans.
Yes.
And Stranger Things season 4 is coming out, and they released a teaser trailer where it shows that, spoiler, I guess, I don't freaking know, that Hopper is alive.
Mm-hmm.
And he's actually in Russia, Mother Russia. And then it kind of shows some stuff on the back. If Michelle wants to read some of that, it says, "Welcome to Russia." What does it say?
Russia is a fascinating country known for many things, such as vodka, which we love, famously cold winters, which we hate,
Yeah.
sending the first man to space, and for being the largest country in the world by landmass.
Yeah.
Russia also has very tasty treats.
Okay, now here's a couple other things. Oh, the recipe on the back is called the Russian cabbage borscht.
Ooh,
It's like a soup, looks like.
that looks yummy.
If you guys wanted to. Okay, then we have Explore Russia. So go ahead and.
All right, the population is 142 million. The land mass is 16 million, a little over 16 million square kilometers. The capital is Moscow. And humid in eastern Russia, tundra in polar north, harsh winters, warm to cool in the summer.
Right, so it's not. I was looking for next time's thing.
It's usually on the bottom of this.
Yeah, they don't have it. So
Well,
maybe.
that's okay.
Maybe
This
we
is
don't.
it.
Maybe they're not doing it no more.
Russia's one of the leading producers of oil and natural gas. It's also the top exporter of steel and primary aluminum.
This is kind of a weird box. It's like all candy.
Yeah.
I don't see next time.
That's okay. Let's just get in with
So, hey, we got a huge ass bag.
it. What? We can take this on our trip.
Okay, so that is, what is it called?
Karovka.
What does it say though?
Wafers, cookies.
Okay, show it right here.
Oh.
Chocolate wafers glazed in creamy vanilla filling, sweet in flavor and crunchy in texture. You can enjoy them with milk, coffee, or their own for a mouth-watering treat.
We can take these on our road trip.
Holy stuff, man. That's a big package of these. They come individually wrapped.
I like that.
So that's nice. Could have just split
Treat
one.
box win. Nah.
Oh.
I like it. It's bitter probably for you.
Yeah.
It's not really like milk chocolate. It's like
Dark
a dark
chocolate.
chocolate.
Yeah. Josh don't like that.
Oh, I don't like it.
Oh.
Oh, you know what? There's white ones.
No, there's not.
Oh. Look. I thought they were different. They're not. These are
You
good.
hate that. Ugh. I don't like dark chocolate at all.
I love it.
Well, I can tell. Yeah, I wonder why they didn't do that. For next, maybe they're not going to be in next time.
Man, I'm taking these on our trip.
Oh, is there a golden ticket in here? They didn't talk about that either. No golden ticket thing.
What the heck, treat box?
They're screwing us over here.
Okay, what's the next thing?
Interesting.
Oh, it's too much chocolate in this box.
It's all chocolate.
Oh, I have a stomach ache. It's not even noon yet. Have you seen this child?
Shell!
Well,
That's Alenka milk chocolate. Alenka milk chocolate Red October is one of the most popular chocolates in Russia. It has been making chocolate since 1851, and their chocolate is all-time favorite by many several generations of Russians.
3 little squares. I put the whole thing in my mouth.
Their milk chocolate
I love it.
is different than our milk chocolate here, though.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you think so?
It's more bitter. I like it.
I don't.
I love a dark chocolate. I used to eat 90% dark chocolate bars.
Ew. Not a fan.
Gosh.
Just opened one this time, but it's called Pichia Molokoloka. Is a small bite-sized chocolate candy with strawberry and cream filling in the inside.
Ew.
Originally from Poland, this candy is now one of the most popular candies in Russia.
Good. I don't like strawberry that much.
I do.
Artificial strawberry.
I do. Mm.
Is it good or bad? Is that not it? Let me see. That's this thing.
Yeah, that's what I read.
Oh. Let me see it.
No strawberry in that.
It smells like strawberry.
Eat it and tell me there's strawberry in that.
Oh, this texture is bad.
Yeah, I don't like it.
It tastes like, I don't know.
Nah, not good.
Definitely not strawberry.
Oh, it's that same. Have you seen this child? And then they made a cartoon out of the child too.
Ugh.
Alanka milk chocolate and cream filling. Alanka chocolate bar, cream filling, Red October is a large version of the popular Asana chocolate. Cream
Broke
filling.
in half already.
So yeah, just eat this one.
Is it toffee? What is inside?
I read
Cream
it.
filling.
Yeah.
Oh. Pass.
Yeah. I mean, it's better. Shell!
It's my bottle of alcohol from last night.
We do live in this room, you guys know that. So sometimes Michelle doesn't
Pick
take
up.
care of her stuff.
Neither does Josh. Okay, good. This is the last thing.
Oh, I love these boxes because I use them to ship stuff in, don't I?
Yeah, you almost hit me. Stop.
Okay, last thing.
What the hell?
Uh-oh.
Oh, sorry, Carly.
It's a cock.
Oh,
So
ship
Rooster-
show.
Hey, John and
York.
York. If you watch that. So this is Tat Cemetery Pachatu. I don't know how to read that. Are rooster-shaped lollipops famous in Russia? They are hard in texture and sweet in taste, and perhaps the most unique lollipop you'll ever try.
I want to take a picture of this and send it to them.
Okay. You ready?
I guess just lick it. Don't bite it. I want to take a picture of it still. What's it taste like? Let me put that in my mouth.
She has a factory mind from the get-go, don't you? Good.
I don't know what it tastes like.
Yeah, me neither. I thought it was like peach or something, but it's not peach.
Apricot?
Apricot, yeah.
Take a picture of this and send it to York.
Okay, guys, that's it.
That's all we got. Okay.
Okay, guys.
We don't know what next month is, so
Nope.
maybe we're all done with these. Who knows?
Yep. And also, so when we release this, we will be getting on a cruise probably. shortly after this video is released.
2 days.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Bye.